Hey everyone, and today, I've got something different for you. We're unboxing and installing a brand new kitchen faucet I grabbed off Amazon. My old one. Faulty. Leaking. Weak water flow. So let's swap it out DIY style and see if this new Brush Gold beauty is worth it. Unboxing. Show product. Alright, here's the box. Brand. EKRTE. Commercial style kitchen faucet. 23 inches tall, exactly what I wanted for that modern, pro look. This one is Brush Gold, which should match my wood cabinets perfectly. Inside we've got the faucet, adapters, washers, 2 Allen keys, and an instruction manual. Build quality. Pretty solid, mostly stainless steel, minimal plastic. Definitely feels premium. Tools needed: adjustable wrench, Phillips screwdriver. Removing the old faucet, shut off your hot rate and cold blue water valves under the sink. Always clockwise to close, then release any leftover pressure by opening the faucet. Next, disconnect the supply lines with a wrench. Keep a small container handy, some water always drips out. Don't forget, if you have a pull-out faucet like mine, remove the weight and unclip the spray hose before pulling the whole thing out. A couple screws under the counter, twist off the lock nut, and the old faucet is history. Installing the new faucet. Now for the fun part. Slide the new faucet's hoses through the sink hole. Add the washers and mounting bracket from underneath, then tighten it up with the included screws. Super easy. Connect red to hot, blue to cold, hand tighten. Then snug it with your wrench. Don't overdo it. Moment of truth. Test in. Time to open the valve slowly. Listen for pressure, then check for leaks at the connections. Looking good. Now let's test the faucet. Sprayer mode. Way stronger than my old one, seriously feels 3 to 4x more powerful. Pot filler. Perfect angle, not straight down like most faucets. Smooth 360 swivel. And yes, you can run both at the same time. Minor adjustment. Soap dispenser note. Only issue, it sits a bit close to my soap dispenser. Easy fix though, either rotate the faucet base or swap to a slimmer dispenser. I grabbed a Moan black soap dispenser, which matches perfectly. Overall, I'm super happy with this Amazon find. Easy install, great pressure, solid build, and the Brush Gold finish looks amazing with my cabinets. Best part, I saved hundreds by installing it myself. No plumber needed. So if you've been thinking about upgrading your faucet, trust me, it's way easier than you think. Smash that like, drop a comment if you've tried a DIY faucet swap, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY home projects. See you in the next video.